Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. Full Star Vegetable Chopper. The Full Star Vegetable Chopper is the ultimate kitchen tool for effortless meal prep. This all-in-one chopper includes interchangeable blades for chopping, slicing, dicing, and spiralizing vegetables with ease. The compact, BPA-free design ensures safe and efficient use, while the non-slip base provides stability during operation. It's perfect for onions, tomatoes, potatoes, and more, saving time and reducing mess. The clear storage container catches chopped ingredients, keeping your countertop tidy. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, it simplifies post-cooking cleanup. Whether you're making salads, stir-fries, or zoodles, this versatile chopper has you covered. Lightweight and durable, it's a must-have for busy kitchens. Elevate your cooking game with the Full Star Vegetable Chopper. Fruit Slicer Cup. The Fruit Slicer Cup by Coke Stupid is a well-designed kitchen tool that simplifies the process of slicing fruits with both efficiency and ease. Its compact dimensions of 4.32 inches into 3.54 waddies into 3.54H make it a space-saving addition to any kitchen, while the sleek black color adds a modern touch to its aesthetic. Constructed with a durable stainless steel blade, this manual slicer ensures precision in each cut. The removable blade feature is particularly noteworthy, allowing for easy cleaning and maintenance. This thoughtful design choice also makes the Fruit Slicer Cup dishwasher safe, providing added convenience for users who prefer low-maintenance kitchen gadgets. Weighing only 0.13 kilograms or 4.6 ounces, the slicer is lightweight and portable, making it an excellent choice for picnics or outdoor gatherings. Its round blade shape is specifically designed to handle various fruits, enabling users to create even slices for salads, snacks, or garnishes. Frigidaire EFIC 128 AMZ BLK Compact Countertop Ice Maker. The Frigidaire EFIC 28 AMZ BLK Compact Countertop Ice Maker is a convenient and stylish solution for instant ice at home or on the go. This powerful machine produces up to 26 pounds of ice per day, making it perfect for parties, picnics, or daily use. It delivers a fresh batch of bullet-shaped ice cubes in as little as 6 minutes, ensuring your drinks stay cold and refreshing. The compact, modern design fits seamlessly on any countertop, saving space without compromising functionality. Its easy-to-use control panel features indicator lights to alert you when the water is low or the ice basket is full. The transparent window allows you to monitor the ice-making process. With a removable basket and included scoop, serving ice is simple and mess-free. Quiet and energy-efficient, it operates smoothly in any setting. Enjoy the convenience of fresh ice anytime with the Frigidaire EFIC 128 AMZ BLK Ice Maker. Food Scale 33-pound Digital Kitchen Scale. The Food Scale 33-pound Digital Kitchen Scale is a high-capacity, precise tool designed for home chefs and bakers. It features a wide weighing range of up to 33 pounds, 15 kilograms, with accuracy to 0.1 ounce, 1 gram, making it ideal for everything from small ingredients to bulk meal prep. The large, easy-to-read LCD screen displays measurements in grams, ounces, pounds, and kilograms for versatile use. Its sleek stainless steel platform is durable, easy to clean, and resistant to stains. The tare function ensures accurate measurements by subtracting the weight of containers. Designed with an auto-off feature, it conserves battery life during use. The scale's compact and lightweight design makes it easy to store in any kitchen space. Anti-slip feet provide stability for secure operation. Perfect for portion control, baking, and cooking, it brings precision to your kitchen tasks. Upgrade to this digital kitchen scale for efficiency and reliability. Easy Off Jar Opener. The Easy Off Jar Opener for seniors is a convenient and reliable tool designed to make opening jars effortless. Installed under cabinets, it saves space and stays hidden until needed, perfect for small kitchens. Its V-shaped design grips lids of all sizes, from small medicine bottles to large pickle jars. Made with durable materials, it offers long-lasting performance and withstands daily use. The strong grip eliminates the need for hand strength, making it ideal for seniors, arthritis sufferers, or anyone with limited mobility. Easy to install with included adhesive and screws, it ensures a secure fit under cabinets or counters. The universal design works with plastic, metal, or any lid type. It's a time saver for busy cooks and a handy aid for independent living. Compact and out of sight, it maintains a clutter-free kitchen. Simplify your life with the easy off-jar opener for seniors. Dosa-maker machine. The Euro Cuisine CM20 electric crepe maker is a versatile tool for making crepes, pancakes, and dosas with ease. Its 12-inch non-stick surface ensures even heat distribution and effortless food release. Adjustable temperature control allows precise cooking for golden crepes or crispy dosas. The lightweight and compact design makes it easy to store and perfect for any kitchen. Quick to heat, it saves time while delivering consistent results. The included batter spreader helps achieve thin, smooth crepes like a pro. Durable and easy to clean, it's built for everyday use. Elevate your breakfast or dessert creations with this reliable electric crepe maker. EU-Homey Nugget Ice Maker's Countertop. The EU-Homey Nugget Ice Maker Countertop is a stylish and efficient solution for creating soft, chewable pebble ice. Designed for modern kitchens, it produces up to 30 pounds of nugget ice per day, perfect for cocktails, sodas, and smoothies. The quick ice-making cycle delivers fresh ice in as little as 15 minutes, ensuring you're always ready for guests or daily use. Its compact design fits seamlessly on countertops, making it ideal for homes or RVs. The intuitive control panel simplifies operation, and the transparent lid lets you monitor ice production at a glance. Equipped with a self-cleaning function, maintenance is hassle-free and convenient. The removable ice basket and scoop make serving and storing ice effortless. Quiet and energy efficient, it operates smoothly without disrupting your space. Add a touch of luxury to your drinks with the EU-Homey Nugget Ice Maker Countertop. EU-Homey Countertop Ice Maker Machine. The EU-Homey Countertop Ice Maker Machine is a sleek and efficient solution for producing fresh ice at home or on the go. With the ability to make up to 26 pounds of ice per day, it's perfect for parties, gatherings, or daily use. This compact machine produces 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, keeping your drinks cold and refreshing. Its intuitive control panel features a one-touch operation for hassle-free use. The transparent lid lets you monitor the ice-making process, while the removable basket and scoop simplify serving and storage. Energy efficient and quiet, it ensures minimal disruption in any setting. The machine offers 2 ice size options to suit your needs. Lightweight and portable, it fits seamlessly on countertops or in RVs. Easy to clean and maintain, it's designed for convenience and reliability. Enhance your ice-making experience with the EU-Homey Countertop Ice Maker Machine. E-Tech City Food Kitchen Scale. The E-Tech City Food Kitchen Scale is a reliable and precise tool for all your cooking and baking needs. With a high-precision sensor, it provides accurate measurements up to 11 pounds, 5 kilograms, ensuring perfect portions every time. The sleek stainless steel design is both durable and easy to clean, blending seamlessly with any kitchen decor. Its multifunctional LCD display shows weight in grams, ounces, pounds, or milliliters, making it versatile for various recipes. The tare function allows you to subtract the container's weight for precise ingredient measurements. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to store and portable for on-the-go use. The scale features auto-off to conserve battery life and includes low battery and overload indicators, ideal for meal prepping, dieting, or baking, it simplifies kitchen tasks with convenience and accuracy. Powered by included batteries, it's ready to use right out of the box. Upgrade your culinary precision with the eTechSeti Food Kitchen Scale. Vacuum Sealer. The Nesco Deluxe Food VS12 Vacuum Sealer is the ultimate tool for preserving freshness and reducing waste. With a powerful 130-watt motor, it delivers reliable air seals for meats, vegetables, and more. The built-in viewing lid ensures precise bag placement for optimal sealing. Multiple sealing options, including dry, moist, and double seal, provide versatility for various food types. The included starter kit of bags lets you start sealing right away. Its compact design and intuitive controls make it easy to use and store. Durable and efficient, it's perfect for meal prep, bulk storage, or sous vide cooking. Keep your food fresher longer with the Nesco VS12 Vacuum Sealer.